The Maverick is seeing the world as a football team this evening, and the members of the human race as the teammates. And we're in the middle of a do-or-die contest against a rampant coronavirus opponent. Right now, Team Humanity is under pressure. The silent and deadly opponent has the upper hand. We're losing teammates left, right, and center. We're down, but we're not out. When teams face this kind of adversity, that is when other teammates step up their game and increase the intensity, go the extra mile to make sure our team don't lose. Right now, this aggressive and relentless opponent is dominating play. We're coming under a series of attacks. We basically hold on for dear life. But the game is not yet over. Enough time is on the clock, and losing is not an option. We have to regain control of this game. We struggled badly in the first half, but we have to do a better job in the second half. Make we go out there with a positive attitude and the confidence to know that this little corona opponent cannot defeat humanity. If we keep with discipline and execute the game plan effectively, we have to cut down the supply line, avoid the contact plays, stifle the movement, and stop the spread. So members of Team Humanity, make we do this. Let's go! Let's go! Victory, 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 victory!